Bless you, child. Let's fix this. What's that? Hmm? Is that a doggy? Is it sunny out? Where are you? Huh? Do you know where you are? You want to swing with Mom? What do you think? Hmm? I know, isn't this fun? It's so nice out. We can sit in the backyard and stay on the swing. Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. Okay. Don't worry, we'll get you off this oxygen and we can play. Okay? I mean, we can go out farther from the house. Okay? So, how was your day, sweetie? Hmm? Guess who's coming tomorrow? Yeah. Guess who's coming tomorrow? Hmm? It's nice out, isn't it? Ooh, what's that sound? Is that a truck? You think you're gonna like trucks? Good boy. Okay. Alright, well, Mommy's gonna hold you now, okay? Say bye, Dad. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you. Say bye. Bye. Look at that face. Daddy loves it when you stick your tongue out. Oops, let's not get cross-eyed. Sorry, is that too close? Okay. Say bye, people. I want to go inside now. Okay. Bye, sweetie. Bye, puppy. Love you.